Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use manage external storage permission that is introduced in Android 11 and above for accessing a SD card or external card in Android application. So we are going to use that manage external storage permission in Jetpack Compose library. In the previous video, we have seen that we do not require any permission for SD card and for internal storage if we are accessing a file under the scope of an application, that is we also called scope storage. So I have given an example in last video, this example, that if I put here any file name like I say abc.txt and I write some data here, I say this is abc.txt file like this, and I say write to file, so data is stored in this file. I say read from a file, then data is coming. And this data is storing in external storage mean SD card and in the directory of download directory, that is publicly available for each and every application which you install. Suppose this is SD card, so under this SD card we have this data download and we have created here abc.txt file. So this program is running perfectly and without any permission it accessing this file also. Okay, I have given example in last video also, you can watch that video also for accessing internal and external storage without any permission. The program was running perfectly, but if I change to this environment.get external storage directory, that means I want to access the complete SD card, the whole SD card I want to use now for my application. So I want to access all the files on folders available in this SD card, but because of the updation in Android 11 your external storage policy, we can't access the complete SD card in our application. And if we want this type of things in our application, the application should have a complete write of SD card, then we need to manage a external storage permission that we will learn. So whenever I click on this file, to run the Android application, and I have changed this also get external storage directory. So you see that previously program was running successfully on public directory, but now if I say abc1.txt and I just write any data, this is abc file data, anything whatever I want to enter, and I say write to file, and you see the application is crash. And if I show you the error, so error would be, you see error is operation not permitted. You see problem, operation not permitted, but same program was running successfully by using some other command whenever using the public directory from the external storage. Those public directory are available for each and every application in Android 11 without asking any permission. But if I want to access the complete SD card and I want to get all the files available in the SD card, so it is not possible without managing a permission. So in this video we are going to learn how we can use manage external storage permission in Android 11 and above by using Jetpack Compose library. So for that we have to write some permission in manifest file also. So you see this, I have already added that the read external storage permission, write external storage permission to the maximum library of 28, because that from the Android 11, so it is 28 means Android 10. So till the Android 10 it will use write manage external storage permission, but after that it will use manage external storage permission. And here we have to write ignore scope storage. That is the warning that we have to put here. So by this way we can access the complete SD card in Android 11 and above. But not just by writing here, we have to manage code also. So how to manage a code, that we are going to learn here. So first of all, just I create here the two function. I say function check permission, and here I will pass context like this, and that will return a boolean value. So I say return true like this. I will change later on. Now one more function I want to create here, that would be function request permission. Same, I want to pass context here, and for request permission I do not want to check the boolean. So like this I want to create two functions. So same I want to check here also. Whenever we click on to call a function for read or write, so this is read and this is write. Here I want to check, so under this I want to check if check permission, and here we pass here context like this. So if check permission like this, then I have to cut this code and paste this code here. And I need else here and here and here like this I have to manage. So if permission is not allowed, then I have to request permission like this. So we are checking a permission. If permission is not allowed, then we request a permission. Same code I want to do in reading a file also. So I say copy, and then I say here that paste, and then I say else like this, and I request permission. So if permission is not allowed, then we just check the permission first of all. If permission is already given, then no need to ask. If permission is not given, then we have to ask permission. Now we just go for the code. So now for checking this, first of all we have to check that it is Android 11 or above. So for that I say here that if we say this is build dot, or otherwise we can write directly that environment dot is external storage manager like this, and it will ask to put in under this round. So I say return if this, then else, so if the version is Android 11 and above, then this permission will required. But if the lower version is there, then we have to call val, you can say read permission, read file permission, and we say equal to context compact dot check self permission. Here we pass context, and then we pass permission, that would be read external storage permission, then equal to package manager dot permission granted. Then we say one more command, val write file permission, and again I just copy this and I just paste this and I change this file to write external storage permission like this. And now here I say read file and write file. So I return the, if it is true and it is true, that means both are true, then we return it true, or if this is true then we return it true, otherwise it will send the false. So this is done. Now I have to check, I have to request a permission also. So for requesting a permission, I check if build dot version the same, if we have, means I have a Android version 11 or above, then what required another type of permission. Then if it less version, then I will request here some other permission like this. So here what I do, I create intent. So I say val intent equal to intent, and here I pass settings dot manage app permission like this. Then I say intent dot add category, and here I pass Android dot, you can say intent dot category dot default like this. Then I say intent dot data equal to URI dot parse, here we pass string dot format, and here I pass package colon percentage s, means the package name, and second parameter is application context dot package name. This is there. Now I say context dot start activity, and here I pass the intent. So it will ask the permission for Android 11 and above. Else if the version is lower, then we have to ask permission in way of requesting a permission. So first of all I say val, and I say, you can say request read write permission launcher equal to, and I say register for activity result, and here I pass activity contracts dot request multiple permission like this, and here I ask the permission, and so I have a result like this, and I check here that result and create a one variable. I say var count int equal to 0, and I say result dot entries dot for each, means all the actions I want to check, and for each permission what I want, if it dot value equal to true, that means conditions we have the permission granted. So I say count plus plus, and we have done this also, and I say that if this count is equal to 2, that means both permission we have taken, then else, like this, then I say toast dot make test context, then permission granted dot show. Similarly, we just copy this and paste here, permission not granted. So we request permission also here, and it is saying this may be private, so we can declare private also, no problem. You can declare this function to private also, no problem. So permission checking is also true, permission request is also done. Now what I have to do, I have to request this permission also, because so here we have else I have to request permission. So I say request ReadWrite permission launcher dot launch, and here we want to pass the array of permission, that would be read external storage and write external storage permission, both I want to ask. So I did this also. I request the permission. This permission will run if the version is less than Android 11, and it will run if the version is 11 and above. Then we will do this manage external storage permission, and this is read or write permission. So I think we're done, and we did all these things. Here we have checked the permission, we have request the permission, and same we did here also. So some error is coming, why? Done. Now we try to execute it once again, and you will see that it will ask the permission for external storage, and if we given the permission, then it will continue read and write file on any location of SD card or external storage. So same program we have, and here I try to create a file, and I say SD card file .txt, and here I write this is manage external storage permission in Android 11 or above using Jetpack compose. Okay, and I click on write. You see it asking for permission, manage external storage permission. So I have given the permission back, and I say write, file is created. I say read, data is coming. You can go there and you can see that on SD card, on this SD card we have the file also, that is storage SD card. You see SD card file.txt, that is available on SD card storage. So these is available, and next time when I will execute the same program, it would not ask any permission because we have given permission already. So now I can create any file without asking any permission. You can test yourself also, because it will check if permission is granted. So already we have given the permission, so that condition would be true. So if we go there and we see that this permission would be true. So when I launch first time, then this permission was not true because we have not given any permission. So we requested the permission. If permission granted, the permission is permanently granted. Next time it will check the permission is true, and if permission is true, it will write the file. This is the way to access the external storage or using a managed storage permission in Android 11 and above using Jetpack Compose library. I think you have learned something from this video. If you learn anything, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.